Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this wash and go. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new posts like this. Now let's just jump into the video. First things first, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to dampen up my hair with some water so that my hair is soaking wet and my curls are easy to define. The products that I'll be using to define and hold my curls include the African Pride Curl Styling Custard and the Carol's Daughter Curl Twisting Custard. I first go in with the Curl Twisting Custard to act as a moisturizing base, and then I go in with the Curl Styling Custard to act as a light gel to really hold the curls in place. Once all the products are in, I detangle my hair with my tangle-free brush, and then I start finger coiling. If you have trouble defining your curls or keeping your curls defined, I would really recommend that you try the shingling method or the finger coiling method because it creates a nice spiral curl that will hold. And then I just repeat the process for my entire head. It's pretty straightforward, but if you need to, keep watching for a more clarifying visual, and then I'll show you how my hair looks dry and how I style it.
Skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
Now that I'm all done, I'm going to let my hair dry, and I usually let my hair dry for at least 24 hours. To preserve my hair overnight, I banded my hair into 4 sections so that it doesn't get tangled or knotted under the bonnet. The curl styling custard that I use usually leaves a slight cast, so this is where you would add some oil to your fingertips so that your hair doesn't get too flaky. This is where I start to elongate my hair in the curls, so I stretch my hair taut and blow dry the roots. And for a little bit of added volume, I start to pick my hair at the roots for a more rounded shape. Alright y'all, so I have finished my hair and this is how it turned out. I'm loving the definition and the volume. As you saw earlier, I stretched my roots out with a blow dryer just so I can get a little bit of extension on the style, and then I picked it out so it can look even bigger. So this is what I got. I didn't want to pick it out too much because I didn't want to disturb the curls, but I am loving this. I don't normally do wash and goes because the style is pretty time consuming for me, and also I always have to rely on the second or third day to see the true results of the style. But I'm glad I tried this shingling method because it worked really well for me, y'all. I'm loving my hair. So if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what other hair videos or any type of videos that you want to see from me next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new posts like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.